guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim here. Today I wanted to unbox one of my favorite, or maybe the favorite, makeup remover that I use on a daily basis. It would be this, the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Now, it comes in a variety of sizes. You can buy this jar in a travel size. There's a regular size, which is probably about 4 ounces. But this box contains 2 jumbo size jars. Each of them is 8.5 ounces. Now, although the initial investment in this combo is a little higher, it's definitely a better deal to buy it this way. And I've gone through quite a few of these jars already. I recently ran out and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to open this, and I tore into the box. And then I thought, well, hang on, why don't I put them back and do a video and show you why I like this product. So let's take a look inside. You a very long time. The way I use these on my daily routine is in the evening I go ahead and I apply the balm to my entire face. I just blend it in using a circular motion, and what you're going to notice is that it quickly starts melting into sort of a watery consistency and just dissolves the makeup. At that point, I rinse it off, and then I apply my cleanser and I wash my face again, followed by whatever serums and moisturizers I'm going to put on before bed. Let's take a look inside. I'll show you the balm. Idea for me to demonstrate, at least briefly, how I use it. I have here a Clinique Chubby stick. It's in the color Super Strawberry. I'll put some of this on my hand. It's not that dark. I think I would rather something even darker to demonstrate to you, so let me go and get something darker. I'll be right back. Nothing says pigmented like a really good MAC lipstick, and this is the MAC lipstick in Bricola. Let's try this as well. Okay, now we're talking. There we go. Okay, so what I do is I mean, that there's probably too much for what I've got on my hand. I mean, I probably for my face use about some of the really long wearing items are some of my mascaras that are waterproof. Definitely another thing that's difficult to get off is my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. But this, it will dilute it, and then you can quickly wash it off. I'm just going to wipe it off here with my makeup eraser, just to show you. It actually feels pretty good, but I don't leave it on my skin. I rinse it off.